Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Um, so I just finished my chant and my meditation session. I couldn't stop myself from. I was compelled to, sort of share something with all of you. And since seeing the situation that is going in India right now, it is so scary. It is so disturbing. There is so much of a distress all over. So I'm not here to talk about any particular religion or caste or creed or anything, but the present COVID pandemic का मतलब सब लोग समझते हैं. आई थिंक पैंडमिक मीन्स जो कि पूरे विश्व में, पूरी दुनिया में जिसने हम लोगों को इतना परेशान कर रखा है पिछले 1 साल से. एंड नाउ वी आर विटनेसिंग द सेकेंड वेव विच इज़ इवन मोर वर्स. Um, I have been a victim of it. My entire family has been a victim of it. We have seen a very testing time, but we sailed through. Thanks to the doctors, to everyone who was that time had been so cooperating with us. Our own willpower was there. The treatment that time was still it was very manageable, but now seeing the present situation, I'm really worried, and everyone, I'm sure all of us are very worried. So, just wanted to see that how there are some people, abhi bhi kuch log hain, who are not very serious about the present situation, and seeing the, like I said, that I'm not here to talk about any particular religion, but whether it is a Hindu or a Muslim, whether it is the Kumbh Mela that happened lately, or whether it is the Ramadan where the Muslims, here in the Kumbh, the Hindus, the devotees who are offering their prayers in groups, and similar is the Ramadan where again the devotees are offering their prayers in the Mecca Masjid, the Mecca Mosque, which is in somewhere in Hyderabad, which has been in the highlight too much these days. So that time when this Kumbh happened, that was a total wrong decision taken by the government. And explanation उस time कुंभ के time ये दिया गया था that since the things were till then under control, that सबका RT-PCR test करा के then they were allowed to enter the Mela, the Kumbh Mela, and then take a dubki in the Mahaganga. But somehow I don't think so that ever happened, because the numbers which were so alarming at that time, but then still the Uttaranchal government was somehow not ready to call off the Kumbh. But I think now since yesterday, uh, with such a surge in the numbers, and the tsunami of COVID that is now we are witnessing, the Kumbh was finally called off. So when all this happened, our politicians are insensitive. They don't know. Uh, they seem to just have rubbed off and washed off their hands. They are not. They have closed their eyes. They are busy in their road shows, busy in their election rallies, election campaigns, and it's really very disturbing. I mean, I have there is so much of agony all around me. My friends, my school friends, my college friends, everybody in their family, somebody or the other person in their families are going through this COVID, and we are doing collective prayers for the families to just get out of, somehow sail through the situation smoothly. But people, I really request, and it is like it's request the nation to just plan out an action plan, and do something about it, because now it's high time that we really take strict action for ourselves, for towards our self discipline, and understand the second wave, that it is a very serious thing that everybody is going through. We have to take a coherent action, beat the virus together. People are dying, and the citizens of India are I don't understand that why is there like I feel sorry for the youth first of all, that they are exposed. They have to go to their offices. They have to go out to work. They have to go out to study. They are exposed, but they don't come under the criteria of the vaccination yet. So the government has to now plan out and make an action plan for the youth to get vaccinated. So again, I really want to keep a stress on three things. That is harsh penalties on the rule breakers. That is the need of the hour that we have to do. Unless and until this is done, the people of India won't really listen, won't fall in discipline. We have to start a universal compulsory vaccine right now drive to make up for the loss, and especially for the youth. We have to immediately stop crowds, parties, weddings, gatherings, road shows, election campaigns, and everything, so that before the things get bad to worse. It is already worse, but then still it can be controlled to a certain level. If you go to the data, which is so scary that every day we switch on the TV for the news and then we have to just switch it off, that there are 2 lakhs and above cases every day being registered in India. कहाँ ले जाएंगे आप पेशेंट्स को, कहाँ पे उनका ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे? ऑक्सीजन की कमी है, मेडिसिन की कमी है, द मेडिसिन विच आर द लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग्स, दैट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल. कालाबाजारी चल रही है उसकी. सो देयर वी हैव टू स्टॉप इट समहाउ, नो? So my request to the doctors especially, to just give guidelines, educate the people how to save yourself, save your life, save your loved ones, to get affected, not to get affected from this deadly virus. And my prayers and my sympathies and empathy, especially for the people who are suffering, the families going through this, our joint collective prayers, so that they come out of this situation very smoothly without getting much hurt. And yes, please everyone contribute your bit by taking the necessary precautions, that is wearing mask, and now the double mask, and washing your hands, getting vaccinated, and yeah, that's the only thing that can be done as of now. But stay home, stay safe, and keep yourself and your families protected, and your loved ones protected. That is all I can say. Take care and stay safe, all of you. Bye bye.